How to create Windows 11 bootable flash drive. First, insert your USB flash drive, at least 8 GB. Then open a web browser and search Windows 11 Download ISO. Then select www.microsoft.com software download. Then go to Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Then click Download Now. Then open the downloaded file media creation tool. Click Accept. Then Next. Then select USB flash drive. Then Next. Then select your USB flash drive. Then Next. Wait until it's finished. Then Finish. We have successfully created a bootable Windows 11 flash drive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.